Air Flightposite never quite received the recognition it deserved, often overshadowed by the more popular Air Foamposite. Its zippered enclosure and high-top silhouette made it less appealing for everyday wear, though recent streetwear trends have revived interest in high-top basketball shoes. Unlike the Foamposite, which had a cultural breakthrough with 2012's Galaxy release, the Flightposite remains a cult classic. Nike continues to honor its legacy through fresh colorways, like the upcoming Dusty Cactus, which feels like it could have been part of the original 1999 lineup. Sneaker News recently unveiled a first look, photographed fittingly on the iconic PDX airport carpet, showing off a striking blue and purple iridescent upper. The design is reminiscent of previous metallic gold and eggplant editions and is paired with black neoprene zip-up enclosures and matching soles for a nostalgic feel. The Air Flightposite Dusty Cactus is set to release on June 26, 2025, for $240.